Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I'm pumped. Today we are going to be unboxing Alienware's AW3225QF. This is a 32-inch 4K quantum dot OLED screen. I am pumped. You're going to see up to a 240 hertz refresh rate, 0.03 millisecond response time, compatible with Dolby Vision, NVIDIA G-Sync. You're going to see some really awesome features. Let's go ahead, unbox, and take the first look. Let's go ahead and cut the seal. Pop the cover. Oh man. Let the games begin. Let's try taking some stuff out. We have our instructions, putting the stand, factory calibration. Let's put that right here. Documentation, warranty, safety, regulatory information, the decal. Cloth to wipe down the screen, cables, display port, your USB type A, B, so the hub cable. You have your HDMI cable right here, stand, which we will be making. Probably the back cover. Power cable. It's another power cable if you're plugging in overseas, maybe a different outlet. Keep that in the box. This is clipping into the back of the panel, so we have the stand, which we'll make in a few seconds. And over here is the panel, which, oof, look at the color scheme. Oh man. So here's the back of the panel. I haven't built the stand yet. We'll go ahead and do that. You do see you have your power cable. Check out the brand new design. It's gonna look awesome. You've got some ports here. So this would be your hub enablement, another USB type A, HDMI 1, and that supports eARC, that's what it says there, HDMI 2, and full-size display port. Don't you love it? Let's build the stand, and essentially we're going to clip in. You all see screw there. Alienware, height adjustable, tilt. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Clips in, tighten the screw. Love the colors of this. Now, clip in. You hear the click, you know you're good to go. And we will set it up. Oh boy. Time for the reveal. Oh boy. Look at this. Beautiful curve, 1700R. Let's get this plugged in, powered up, ready to go. Must say this cable management is pretty slick. We do have the ultra high-speed HDMI cable, the display port, my USB hub cables, and look at how it's routed through the back, into the stand, out the bottom, really giving you that clean desk look. So definitely a lot of thought went into it. I'm gonna pop the panel that covers this to basically make it look super clean. Perfect for your gaming setup or even a work from home. We haven't plugged it in yet, but take a look. 32-inch, 4K, QD-OLED. Holy moly, right? Oh, way you notice the high contrast. Oh, it looks absolutely incredible. Here's your standard screen, and just right away the colors pop, and I haven't even done anything. I've just changed the resolution all the way up to the 4K. And let's now go into the advanced section and make sure we are pulling 240 Hertz. So this host device over here is capable of pushing 240 Hertz. So you are validating what's going on here. Typical displays will be about 60 Hertz. So I'm really excited to look at that freedom from flickering and things like that. Already I can tell you this panel looks absolutely incredible. Oh man, check out the RGB lighting. Now, big disclaimer, I'm not a gamer. I just wanted to show you the impact of a QD-OLED from a contrast and vast color perspective. So, you know, enjoy this quick little demo. And there's nothing like playing old school racing games. I am not a gamer by any means, so if you have any tips on how I can do better, please comment below. It's all about having fun. You can really see the impact of a high refresh rate. Typical displays are going to be about 60 Hertz. You now have something that's pushing 240 Hertz. So, you know, no matter the use case, you will see some pretty incredible things. Sweet, first place. And, you know, let's look at the colors and see what happens here. Again, not a gamer once again. Oh. Can I make it up? Look at the colors, look at the blacks. You think about this from a gaming perspective. Think about this from a work from home scenario. No matter the workload, you're going to be using a panel that looks amazing. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Over here, that's the AW3225QF. This was the first look and unboxing. Thanks so much. Take care.